Hi guys, so today is a snow day outside. Super cold. I guess it's not super cold, but for me it's super cold. So today we're not really doing school today. I'm just showing you kind of a no school day in the life where it's lazy, snow day, and we're gonna do some decorating, maybe some baking, just some fun things because the kids are gonna be in and out of the house all day playing in the snow. And they don't get to play in snow all the time, so we're just gonna chill out and kind of just do whatever we want. So, but yeah, somebody's already crying. Okay, so we got our DIY garland going on up here. Now these are stars because we're making our nativity scene. We're not doing our Christmas tree. We're doing a nativity scene. We haven't got very far, so. But that's our stars. So that's about as far as we've got. Ew, what do you think, Owen? What do you think about, look, what do you think about our stars? You like them?
Yeah.
What about you, Chloe? You think it's cute?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, get in the right here. Watch out. Watch out.
Here, let me see. I'll need the scissors. Make your head bigger. That seems like a pain.
That's right.
There. Here.
You can go around twice. Hey, the Christmas tree! Except it's not even.
Not even.
Alright, what are we gonna come up with? Do you know this? Do you need this one?
Good, Mary.
I mean,
We need another spoon.
need this? Yeah. Mom, can we put this on her? Make a little bit of
I was gonna put like something in the middle. Then we're gonna put like a thing. Can you find like a pillow thing? Claire, can you get some more yarn?
Pillowcase. Claire, where's that blue pillowcase at?
Here,
Claire,
Mary.
where's the blue pillowcase
far.
at?
Huh? Okay, here's our gingerbread cookie mix that we're going to be using today. I got these from my in-laws.
No,
Look, you got the cookie cutters.
not this.
Did you wash your hands, I hope?
No.
We got trees, we got candy cane, and we got a gingerbread man. I think that's all that we have though. Do we have any more? Or is these all?
That's all.
Okay, so this is all we got, so it'll have to do. But anyway, everybody is excited to get started on our cookies.
Yeah, cookie. I want a Christmas tree.
Go get some out here.
Hey.
Oh, it moved.
I don't have one on.
Alright, we need a rag to clean that off. Come on, guys. Alright, we'll save this one for later. Hey. Hey. Can you play?
I actually can stop playing. Six.
And 1 tablespoon of butter.
We already did tablespoon of butter.
Oh, wait. Stick of butter.
You said tablespoon of butter.
A tablespoon.
Let's go.
Go. Okay. All right.
Gingerbread man.
No, we're not. That's not how we do that. It's probably
Cutting it.
okay. Okay.
Owen.
Owen gets to do one. Here, turn it over. It's on the wrong side. There you go.
Did I do it?
Sit down. Okay. Lift up. Alright, Clary, do the candy cane. Other way. Okay, don't do anything.
Jack goes. Owen, why did you do that and messed up? It's still a cookie.
What? What happened to the leg?
Owen did that.
You broke the gingerbread's leg. Nope, nope. Hey, quit!
Should put Jesus right there.
Yeah, Claire added her happy birthday balloon to our nativity scene. So I said, happy birthday, Jesus.
Oh,
But it's a pink balloon, so.
we're not gonna keep it. No, go up. No, go up. Not down. Up. Oh, hurry. Oh my god. What?
We don't have a dryer. So, we gotta do this. Ugh. Alright guys, that is it for this day in the life video. I hope you enjoyed our lazy snow day. Didn't really do any schoolwork, but we did get into baking, which that counts as school, right? Yeah, I think so. So that is our day, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.